Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with yet another tutorial video on app guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can add a phone number to your Roblox account. So you have a Roblox account that you use to play Roblox, and now you want to add a phone number to that account for some reason, but you can't figure out how you can do it. Pause this video till the end. I'll show you some simple steps in order to add a phone number to your Roblox account in very easy way. It's a very simple process. Just follow the simple steps I do and you'll do it in no time. So the first thing you want to do in order to add a phone number to your Roblox account is open Roblox. Once you open Roblox, make sure you're logged into the account that you want to add a phone number to. If not, go ahead and log into that account. Once you log into that account, you land on an interface like this. Now from here, in order to add a phone number, what you need to do is simply tap on the gear icon on the top right corner of your screen, and from the drop down menu, go into your settings. Once you go into your settings, you land on the My Settings interface of Roblox. Now from here, what you can do is edit your account settings. So in your account info section, look for the section labeled as phone number. And besides that section, you'll see an option labeled as add phone number. So to add your phone number, simply tap on that add phone number button. Once you tap on the add phone number button, a pop-up window like this will open. Now here what you need to do is first select the country you're from. Once you select the country you're from, go ahead and enter the phone number that you want to add. Once you enter the phone number, enter your account verification password. So go ahead and enter your account password. Once you do that, simply tap on the add phone button. Once you do that, Roblox will send a 6-digit verification code to your phone number. So wait for the verification code to arrive and then enter the verification code here. Once you enter the verification code, tap on the verify button. Once you tap on the verify button, your phone number will be successfully added to your Roblox account. As you can see, it will appear right here. So those were the simple steps in order to add a phone number to your Roblox account in very easy way. So that will be it for today's video. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with some new information. Goodbye.